Nobody teaches this in design school. They teach you how to use software, how to pick colors, how to present your work. And nobody tells you what brand identity actually is, or why the best studios in the world charge $30,000 for something you could technically build in Figma for free. This is part one of a series that breaks down everything the industry keeps quiet about. The difference between a logo and an identity is that a logo is a mark while a brand identity is a system. What most African design studios get wrong is that they sell the output, not the thinking. The studios charging in dollars are selling strategy and confidence, not just deliverables. What this series will cover: process, pricing, client acquisition and positioning in foreign markets. Part 2 drops next Monday. It covers exactly how we build an identity from a client brief to final delivery. If you work in design, or you run a creative business, or want to understand how premium branding actually works, subscribe now so you don't miss it.